Hi everyone. So we've added new enterprise admin panel features and we have completely redesigned our enterprise admin panel from scratch. Now this video is for our pro plan users and our enterprise users who can basically see the enterprise admin panel in Stackby. So let's say you are on one of the pro plan accounts or the enterprise admin accounts. So you go here, you go to admin, there will be an admin panel that will be visible to you. Now here you can see your users, but here you can see all your workspaces, the different stacks, in your workspaces, the collaborators of that workspace, the total collaborators count, when was this created, and whether it's part of your organization workspace. So you can basically, select and unselect whether you want to add this particular workspace, within your organization. Let's say if I want to look at how many stacks are there in this particular workspace. So I just click here and it automatically gives me all the stacks, that are available in that workspace, their row count, and who are the collaborators, added on that particular stack, and the number of collaborator count on each of those stacks, and when was this created. I can also download this entire data into a CSV. And what I can also do is I can basically also add people directly, at the stack level or the workspace level, right from the workspace management and the user management. I can basically add people to the stack and give them, different permissions and whether, they can basically share this with other team members or not. So yeah, so the workspace management and stack management looks much better than last time, and it's much more fluid. So we'll continue to add more features here. I can even filter, information. Let's say if I want to filter where row count is 1000, I can apply. I can add those filters as well, depending, of what I want to look at. So let us know, what you think about the latest admin panel features in Stackby. Thanks.